Most homeowners don't replace a roof often enough to know who they can trust. Hi, I'm Peter, owner of BLU Roofing here in Palm Beach County. I started BLU Roofing to take the uncertainty out of roofing through clear communication, honest guidance, and accountability from start to finish. Whether you need a repair, a replacement, or simply an honest assessment of your roof, we're here to help you make the right decision for your property. BLU Roofing is an owner-led company. When you call us, you're working directly with me. You'll have my direct number, my attention, and my full accountability from the first conversation through the final walkthrough. We take a personal approach because roofing isn't one size fits all. Whether you're focused on long-term performance, overall value, or you're trying to stay within a specific budget, we'll help you understand your options and choose a solution that's right for your property. We also stand behind our work with our Get It Right guarantee. Construction isn't perfect, and occasionally unexpected issues can arise. What's important is having a company that doesn't disappear when they do. We either get it right the first time or we make it right every time. That's our promise. When you're ready, we're here to help. Welcome to BLU Roofing. Serving Palm Beach, Martin, and Broward counties with residential and commercial re-roofing, repairs, and inspections.